Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Wolf and I'm the Program Director at the Findlay YMCA. Today for our activity, we are going to be doing something really simple. We're going to make a homemade bird feeder that you can put in your backyard or on your porch or wherever you would like. Before we begin making our bird feeder, I'm going to list what we will be using. I will be using pipe cleaners. I will be using some twine. And then I have a pair of scissors. I'll be using 2. And some cereal. I have cereal that has holes through it like this. So for your cereal, you'll probably want to use something like Apple Jacks or Fruit Loops, something that just has a hole in the middle because that's going to be going through our pipe cleaner. So yeah, so the first step to this is you're going to want to make your pipe cleaner whatever shape you want it to be so that it kind of looks like a little decoration. For mine, I am just going to make a simple spiral. So I made mine into a spiral shape, like so. And then what I'm going to do is just take my cereal here and begin looping it through the pipe cleaner. If you don't have pipe cleaners at home, you could also just use string for yours. The fun part about using the pipe cleaners is that you can make it into whatever shape you would like, whereas like with string that's a little bit harder to do. But if you just have string at home and you don't have pipe cleaners, you could easily make this with just a string. So once you have your pipe cleaner, or if you're using string all laced with your cereal, the next thing you're going to want to do is tie off the bottom, especially if you're using string, so that your cereal doesn't fall out of the bottom. Once you have the bottom tied off, we are going to use our twine and connect that to our pipe cleaner. So I'm simply just tying my twine around the end of my pipe cleaner a couple of times, making a few knots just to make sure it stays on the pipe cleaner well. Once you have that all tied off, then you will cut your twine. So the last step for this to get your bird feeder all set and ready to be outside is you'll need 2 additional things. You will need the bird seed, and then you will also need peanut butter. And what you'll do is you'll want to take like a butter knife or something or a spoon and take the peanut butter, and you're going to cover your cereal pieces in peanut butter. Once the pieces of cereal are all coated with peanut butter, then you can dip your base into birdseed, and then that will keep the birdseed on the bird feeder so that the birds can come up and enjoy the birdseed. And then they also can eat the peanut butter too, so that's why you want to dip it in peanut butter so that it sticks it on there, and then that's something else that they can eat too. Yeah, so what I'll do, so like the last step would then be, you want to find a place to hang this from, and you can either, tie it around if you're tying it on like your porch, like a little hook, or if you want to hang it maybe from a tree, you can do that. What you could also do too is if you had like a paper clip at home, you could tie this to the paper clip and then hang the paper clip from something as well. But either way, yeah, the birds should be able to enjoy their birdseed off of this. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our Facebook page for more videos, and have a great day.